Ayoko ng kotse pero nagustuhan ko pa. Rear view mirror, voice command, self-drive. Hazard wire. Okay. So itong hazard. Galing As ano lang siya. Ganun lang. You don't need to press it hard. Shift using the roof console. Emergency. Okay. Gusto naman Kasi.
Sa loob ko. Yung picture natin.
Andito yung driver. Seats. Mirroring.
Shall we?
Let's go!
Uwi na natin.
Uwi na tayo. So we're going to UP, ano yan? Uptown ba? Ano to?
Yes, up down.
Uptown for...
Now turn right onto 36th Street.
For us to charge up to 100% because right now our state of charge is just 76%. So
Now turn right onto 38th Street.
we will go to Uptown for a Tesla supercharger para ma 100% natin dahil may lakad agad tayo today.
Kaya mo yan.
Hindi, wala pa kasi maliit na
Salamin.
salamin, yun ang kailangan ko. $15 minutes lang. Oh, now I know how to activate it. Nakaready lang pa ako sa pedal baka if ever na mag-error siya. But it's moving on its own. Taasang pa yung maximum. 4. We're here at NLEX. Papakabit tayo ng RFID para wala nang kaso pag bumiyahe. So hindi ko alam kung meron na yung isang RFID lang or isang sticker lang para sa lahat. Let's see. So hi guys, right now we're here at NLEX and sasabihin ko lang or kwento ko lang yung naging charging sequence namin from BGC, from Tesla BGC. So from there nag-charge kami sa Uptown, sa Tesla supercharger up to 100%. By the way, nakuha namin siya ng 77%. And then we charge up to 100%. And then we travel from Uptown BGC to
SM North.
to SM North. And ang nabawas lang is parang 5%
4 kasi 96.
o 4% from 100. And then, nag-travel kami from SM North up to here, sa may Petron, Marilao. Dumating kami ng parang 88%, something like that. And then, nung nag-charge ako dito, by the way, nagastos namin sa supercharger is, nagastos ko sa supercharger is something around 380 pesos. And then, dito sa may Marilao, nag-charge na rin ako up to 100%. Gumastos ako ng 200 something. I think 260 something pesos. So, yun. Right now, we are at 99%. Kumain lang kami dito sa NLEX Marilao. So, yun. Right now, we will go ahead and travel going back home. Since
Now
sobrang
stay straight
init
to
na at may
TPH
pasok pa kami
26
mamaya.
round.
So, see you guys on the next video.